ask Kucinich said he'd seen one, so has Jimmy Carter, so did a pilot who traveled from Iran to Washington so he could speak out today about his encounter with the UFO. Now, unidentified flying object means just that, unidentified. It says nothing about what or from where. But for years now, polling has shown that a majority of Americans believe the government, our government, simply isn't telling all it knows about those lights in the sky, whatever they are. Well, tonight, CNN's Gary Tuchman and Valley.
Don't be dreaming up now. Go about my dumb window, million of a dumb Bible. Yeah, I'm a naked vision low. Because I'm a chica child. Yeah, I'm a glad to know. Young sons of a chili. Near drawing, I'm a gong and I'm a God drop by John so lonely. Money can only I need it. You long a day out there. Save your at the time. Go in there so my you're like no can't man of one your bed. Misery like my Young jiggy jumya lwema a chain we go on in the wild. Grew up to pick the bar, min come up on the line. Gang of your name to down. Ingoni yaranga jamba. Nazari don't be me like Diabo Save your at the tag.